What's up, guys? My final mouse finally got here through the mail, so I can finally do what I've always wanted to do, which is to throw it off the fucking roof.
Hey, get back here! What the hell? Get back here! Get back here!
Yeah, guys, apparently this mouse is supposed to be so bad it makes you want to go outside, and I'm really hoping this mouse isn't like that bad because it cost me like a whole holy shit, you know? Oh yeah, that's a holy shit. That is a holy shit. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it's so gross. Oh fuck, it's fucking disgusting. Perfect, dude. Hopefully this will be here by next week. Let's go. Yo guys, apparently like black people like blessed this mice, so. If you don't like black people, like I suggest like not being a final mouse, man.
Oh hey, I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
Damn, bro. Wow. Yeah, guys, apparently it's supposed to be the smallest final mouse, like, ever, so. Fucking tiny dick gang. Alright guys, as you know, one of the main selling points of this mouse is the customizability of the shape. And I decided to showcase you guys one of the designs that I made for mine. So, well, here you go. I like to call this customized option El Rompeculos, which in case you guys didn't know, is Spanish for best friend. And here's just one of the 6 shots I hit with this.
Wow, this is... Oh, is that a fucking chicken dog? Wow, you're a majestic one. Oh, oh my god, oh my god.
I think about him every day, bro. Guys, this video's going out to Modern Warfare Chicken, bro.
What you say? Who let it all anyway? What you say?
Please spam in the comments, rip Modern Warfare Chicken, guys. I wouldn't recommend getting this mouse if you don't have thick skin, because you get called a lot of fancy names.
You are big.
But hey man, if you like making people rage, man, just go for it, bro.
Dude.
I'm blood now. I say, bitch, it's all eyes on me when I walk in. Nigga better slide. Yeah, I don't keep on talking. Drip on my fit, little nigga, I be flossing. Catch him, I can take his life, then I toss it. If he really want it, leave him dead where he walking. Always keep an eye on the ops like he's walking. Hey, smoking on this gas, got me nauseous. Another clip, and that 40 get to chopping. Hey, Johnny came in many how I drill shit. Macking on the shorty that was yo. I said post it.
Yo,
Say he got a strap, but it ain't loaded. Hey, little bitch.
You're freaking trash cans, bro. Literally, bro. You guys are freaking terrible, bro. Oh, you're gonna push left, pushing your left side.
oh shit.
Are you kidding?
Little bitch.
You have to be
On my little nigga shit. Hopping out that coupe with your bitch, nigga. I don't give a fuck, I flex the whip, it's like 6 figures. If I'm hopping out, then I'm shooting at a bitch, nigga. Buddy hiding out, oh I heard he ain't on shit, nigga. Yeah, I'm throwing racks in this bitch, and I don't give a shit. Flipping bricks make me rich, and I won't think twice before I take your fucking bitch. Had to rob this little thotty cause she turned into a snitch. Take your fucking pack, nigga, you a pussy. Nigga think he bout it, but he ain't even shook me. He wanna talk, all that shit, better come and book me. I've been doing this, little nigga. Little nigga, you a rookie.
No, it's a quad. No, it's a quad. If I'm gonna play the game, I'll kill myself.
I said, bitch, I'm back and better. I don't really give a fuck. I'm with my bitch, she getting wetter. And this nigga looking stupid, man, this nigga looking. Yeah, I put a clip in your ass. You thought you was slick, we ran off with your cash. This bitch got a friend and she look kinda bad. And this nigga look mad cause I took all your plaids.
Zach, are your parents married?
Yeah.
So cringe.
Yeah, no, I can't get it.
Told you. Come on.
We fucking butted foreheads.
We butted other heads too.
Yep.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? You like Chef Boyardee's, bro? You like Chef Boyardee's?
What?
You like Chef Boy?
These is the best.
Chef Boyardee's nuts?
Bro, these nuts.
I know I'm not a professional reviewing mice like Bad Seed Tech, who's such a professional. He can even review mice and watch porn at the same time.
Lastly, when you're using the profile button to change profiles on a system with Synapse installed, you won't see that LED change color. Instead, your profile will be indicated on screen.
I get it, bro. Guys gotta beat once in a while. And also, I'm not as much as a mouse enthusiast like Brandon Taylor, who actually even has a sexual attraction to mice.
And these things are crispy. Listen to this. Oh yeah, that's a sweet sound right there.
But I would like to keep on doing this, so if you want to help me, maybe with like, hopefully I can reach like $20, you know, maybe enough to make another video. Be sure to hit the Patreon and like what the hell is that shit called? The description for sure, bro. And I guess that's it, bro. That's a wrap.